All right, so I've been trading. It's my vacation week. I just have to just watching my what you call it, and then seeing how the trading's going. I came across this and I'm going to use this as a lesson example. Right now for the trades that are still open, it's pulled back a little bit. Um, this was up to 238,000 in open profit. It's now 206. These are the same trades that I took last week, guys. These are the same ones that I've been holding on last week. It's going into Monday morning. It's about 4:23 a.m. Monday morning. So I want to look at this EuroCAD. See how this came. This is on a 1 hour chart. We saw this come from a long trend. There's a harmonic pattern that formed right here. A deep crab formed up. Okay. This went into there, hit the BE, dropped, hit the doji, bounced off that doji, formed another pattern right here. So this is what happens when a long-term trend slows down. And when it's ready to go back up, it will form patterns. It's going to form, you're going to have your bullish patterns where you're going to buy off the bullish pattern here. Hold on, I don't want to confuse you with, hold on. This thing's, wait for it to load. Well, anyway, is that bracket this is from the, indicator. It's not the candle, but the candle stopped right here. Okay, so the candle stopped right here. All right. Then this took off. This looks like a harmonic that wasn't, yeah, it didn't close. So this is a harmonic pattern. I can see that. I don't need the indicator to show me that. This one is something like that.
Are you a trader? Then you'll love Connect One Forex Signals, a leading signal service dedicated to providing the best trading entries and exits for traders. We have the highest reward to risk ratio in the industry, and our pips gain is as high as 1,200 pips in one trade. You don't need to do anything, just set it and forget it. We'll do all the heavy lifting. We also teach how to trade successfully using what we call the RSAI blueprint strategy. Our strategy is based on harmonics, but we also use them in other ways besides just buying and selling to target. Receive signals, learn new techniques and innovative trading systems to bring you to a new level of training and profitability with Connect One Forex Signals. Sign up for a free trial at connect-1-forex-signals.multiscreensite.com or join our Telegram group at t.me/KOFXS group for group chat.
Something like this. And this is what it'll do. It's going to form your bottom. You're going to have your bullish. This is where you're going to buy. When it finishes forming it, you're going to buy down there. So when it goes into this long trend, right, you want to buy after the double bottom, because this right here is a double bottom. You want to buy the double bottom, or you want to buy at the harmonic pattern, okay, the bullish harmonic pattern that forms this shape here, okay, the point D here, X, A, B, C, D, down here by, and then it's going to form another one, okay. It's only going to go part of the way like this and then continue up. Now this is supposed to continue up and finish and it should do this and go on up and finish the trip back up, okay? Leave this open for a later date to fulfill it at a later date, okay? Later date in the future, could be months, years in the future, okay? So let's say for instance you missed the entry. You want to take your Fibonacci tool, measure top to bottom, and so that the zero is down here at the bottom, and you're going to measure when this comes up, right? When this comes up, the last take profit for this is actually right here. Since pretty much all you see the button, it's shaped like, well, no, forget the button. Right here at the 618. This is where you will enter a trade. All right. This is a white bullish line. My bearish are red and a white bullish. You would enter the trade here, or you have your order right here, or just a little bit above it. Okay. You can do that. And this ended up going back to the 382. So, but then again, you know what? Because, well, then you'll end up, you'll have your 382, but you can't have your 382. It should be kind of a big stop loss. So I wouldn't do that. So I would wait for this to go above this point. Yeah, because you don't want to just get this. That's just, yeah. So this point here, all right, is a good buy for the return back up. This way you know that it's going back up. See, it got rejected and then retested and then ended up above, on top again. Boom. Took off, did a retest, got rejected, took off. So on that nice run breakout like that, those types, let's see, this one, it just maxed out so far 120 pips, pull all the way back to this point, but it's going to continue up. This is going to be a long-term hold. I bought a bunch of the other ones, but I didn't do every single one, but but this formed excuse me, breakout was actually, the retest was actually just before yeah, that was a nice run. That's just an example. And then this wouldn't have formed yet, but then this would have formed later. But this thing, because this is how you know that the trend is strong going up, but strong enough to carry it all the way up. It's got that boost. Now, when it came down here, it shook people up. It's like put people in a little mixed master and shook it up. So the next time when I got into this bull situation where you had a double bottom and then you had, or the harmonic, they saw that and took advantage of it, and it just put that Brian pressure, had it right back up there. All right. Yeah, that's not how that goes. So that's just that quick lesson. Buying harmonic breakout patterns. This is how you do it, so that you can catch the long-term trend. All right, peace out.